Welcome back to PrinterFix Pro. My name is Adebimpe, and on this channel, we fix real HP printer problems step by step before they cost you money. Today's story is one I hear all the time. An HP printer flashing a cartridge problem message, and the owner already reaching for a new ink box. Before you spend that money, watch this. Because in most cases, the cartridge is not the problem. The contact between the printer and the cartridge is. I visited Callum at his home office today. His HP printer was showing a cartridge error. He had a brand new ink box ready to open, and he was convinced he needed to replace it. He did not. What it actually needed was a simple check, a gentle clean, and a proper receipt. Let me show you exactly what I found, and exactly what I did. He thought he needed new ink, but the real problem was a cartridge contact issue that took only a few minutes to check. Just a quick check, and it's fixed. Before replacing ink, check the cartridge seating, protective tape, cartridge context, and printer recognition first.
My HP printer says cartridge problem. I thought I needed to buy new ink immediately.
Before you buy another cartridge, let us check whether the printer is simply failing to read the one you already have. A cartridge problem message does not always mean the ink is bad. Sometimes the printer is not making proper electrical contact.
So the cartridge may still be usable?
Possibly. The levels are low, but not empty. Let's run a test.
First, keep the printer powered on. Open the cartridge access door and wait until the carriage stops moving.
The carriage has stopped. I can see the cartridges now.
Oh, good. Can you see if they're seated properly?
Yes, they look fine.
Remove only the cartridge shown in the error message and hold it by the plastic sides only.
Got it.
Check for any leftover protective tape or plastic film. If it is still there, the printer cannot read the cartridge correctly.
Okay, let me see.
Now gently clean the copper-colored contacts. Do not scratch them and do not touch the ink nozzles.
I never knew those tiny contacts could stop the printer from recognizing the cartridge.
Exactly, it's a common issue. If there is visible residue inside the carriage contact area, wipe it gently.
Okay, gently.
No harsh cleaner, no scraping. Give the contacts time to dry, then put the cartridge back into the correct slot. Push it in firmly until it clicks. That click matters because the printer must feel the cartridge seated properly.
Got it. Thanks. The door is closed. The printer is checking the cartridge now.
Oh, I see. Is it working?
Yes, it is. The cartridge problem message is gone.
That's a relief. Is the print job ready?
Yes, it's ready now.
Perfect. Now we confirm it with a test page before we celebrate.
Sounds good. It printed. The page is clear. I really did not need to buy new ink.
See, it was fine. Try this before replacing ink. Check tape, clean contacts, reseat the cartridge, restart, and print a test page.
Okay, I'll try that.
Good.
You saved me money today, Adebimpe. Thank you.
You're very welcome, Callum. If your HP printer says cartridge problem, comment your printer model and the exact message you see. PrinterFix Pro will help you troubleshoot it step by step.